name's Henry Wong Do. I'm professor of music, piano, and the chair of the keyboard area at IUP. I was born and raised in Auckland, New Zealand, and throughout my career I've always been a great supporter and promoter of music from my home country, especially since I live and teach and work in the US, and I wanted to use my role as an educator as well as a performer to really promote, premiere new works by New Zealand composers. During the pandemic, for better or worse, we all became more attuned to what was important to us and what was special to us. And so I thought it would be great to create a project that allowed musicians to use the times as a vehicle for their expression. And so I called it Perspectives because that word obviously frames a lot of what each composer felt during that time and how music reflected a perspective of their life. At IUP, I teach both undergraduate and graduate students. Our role as educators is not only to teach students, but also to mentor and to model the role of a professional musician in society. And so I think that's an important aspect of our role as a teacher, and to show students of our continued growth as people and as musicians.